Hey, what's up, guys? Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So, listen, today I want to show you a little something that I made a lot of money and grew my business really fast. It was allowed me to build a huge email list of people that were interested in my product. Okay, so I was able to do this using this funnel and create revenue of 1,000 plus a week just doing online marketing, gaining that email list so I could send out emails to any customers that I wanted. Anytime, once a week is when I used to do it, send out special promotions to those customers who signed up to my email list. So I'm going to show you this simple funnel here that I used to gain a list in the first year of over 3,500 people who were interested in my beef jerky, who became customers. And I gained their email. They tried my jerky. Most of the times they reordered, and they also, when they took advantage of this promotion, they tended to order a lot more than they were supposed to. Okay, so this is what I call the free jerky promo. Okay, so this is very simply a sales funnel that I used. You see fatyankeejerky.com. Do you like beef jerky? Sign up for our mailing list and receive our unique promo code for 10 to 15% off in free beef jerky, okay? So let me explain why this is an enticing offer. First of all, customers love to save money, okay? And they also love to get things for free. So there's going to be a promo code that they're going to get at the bottom here. When they click the next link, they're going to get this promo code, and it's going to be for 10 to 15% off, okay? Now, a lot of folks, they want to make sure they get the maximum discount. They're interested in the maximum discount, and I can actually change this promo code to whatever I wanted, whenever I wanted, okay? So here's how it works. So they got the code for 10 to 15% off, all right? My bag of jerky costs $7.99, and this is what we did and why we called it the free beef jerky promo, okay? So the minimum order that the customer had to get was $7.99, okay? Now, we also, how this worked was we were giving them free beef jerky. So they paid for one 3-ounce bag at $7.99, and then they got a second bag, which was 1.5 ounces of our choice, which would be teriyaki, all the time. We never changed it up. We just did 1.5 ounce bags. We made them based on how many orders we got from this funnel, okay? So they came over here, they looked at it, they wanted the 10% off, they wanted the free jerky, and they wanted free shipping, okay? That's the deal. That's an incredible deal. They spent $8. They got 10% off of that $8. Free shipping because it only cost us $2 and change to send that 3-ounce bag out, okay? So we made about 60 cents, 80 cents on a deal, and they got to try our jerky. Now, that's if they ordered one bag, okay? So I'm going to click here, and it's going to give them the ability to opt in to my email list, okay? So this is how they actually get the code. They cannot pass this section here until they put in their name and email address. The reason why the name was so important is so I can customize and personalize each email that I sent to them. Now, when they signed up for the list, it went into my email responder, which if you need email training, you can go to one of my other websites, keithjrainville.com. But this is what they did. They put in their name, they put in their email. That automatically loaded their email address into my MailChimp account, which I have an ongoing series of emails that constantly hits my customers to get new business, okay? So they hit the submit here. I'll just put in my name and email address, okay? All right. And I'll just put in that email. So now they put in the information, and then they hit submit, okay? Now, once they submitted this, it brings them to the last page here. It says, thanks for signing up. Congratulations. This is 10% off. We changed it, like I said, from 10 to 15% off. Free shipping and a free 1.5-ounce bag of teriyaki. Okay, and the promo code was Yankee, so they could go to my website, pick a bag because they had to spend $7.99, and this was a very easy thing for them to figure out because of all the verbiage that we have in this page and the last page we looked at. Okay, so free 1.5-ounce bag of teriyaki will be added to your order. So they had to spend the $7.99. They put the promo code in, and then it took 10% off, and it gave them a free shipping. Okay, so this was an incredible offer because they ended up spending about $7.60, and we still made money with this. But we delivered tons of bags, a lot of single bags, but the average order was about $24 to $40 in that range. So the person who usually gets the free promo usually adds, a few different bags to their cart as well. Now you're going to get obviously the people who are going to just take advantage of the promo, but the good thing about that is they try your they try your beef jerky, and if you got a good product, they're going to order from you again. Okay, so here's the thing. So this is this button here will click and bring me right to the store, and then if not, it says no thanks. I make my own jerky. I don't even actually remember where this one goes to, but actually this one actually goes to my my cookbook. Okay, so I lined my cookbook up there, and then if they didn't, let me just shut that off. Okay, so if they didn't buy the shop now, they went and got and then they made their own jerky. They went to my cookbook. So if they went to shop now, they went to fatyankeejerky.com. So that was key on this whole process. So getting their email address, getting them to shop now. If not, I offered them another product, and that's why this funnel worked so well, guys. So if you're not doing internet marketing with your beef jerky company, or your meat company, or whatever it may be, whatever product you might sell, you need to set up something like this, some kind of funnel system. Okay, so I've left the link for the 14-day trial for ClickFunnels below, and I'm also going to leave the link for this funnel. Okay, so now they'll be here. You got to click the ClickFunnels and sign up for the free trial, and go in there and mess around in there. You can't break anything inside that system, but it's really imperative. This system makes people a ton of money selling their products. It creates millionaires, actually. So and I still use it with all my other stuff, guys. So guys, check this out. I'm gonna leave the information here, and below the video, you'll see the 2 links. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to hit me up. But I'm gonna leave the link for ClickFunnels and a link for my free jerky promo funnel here. All right, guys. All right, thanks for watching.